remarks is Congressman Stephen Caraps Paduano, the Chair of the Committee on Public Accounts.
Ito.
You're recognized.
Ito.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Sige.
Good morning, everyone.
Oh?
Ito
As
pa
mentioned
to.
in the opening statement of the Chairman Barbers, today's hearing was originally scheduled to be postponed and moved to November 21, 2024.
Bakit ang hina na ng
However,
boses niya?
when the news emerged that the former president
Uulitin
will be
lang nila.
attending, and after we
Bakit
verified the
nawala yung
announcement
angas?
confirming his desire to attend the
English
hearing,
kasi cards.
the Quad Committee decided to convene on short notice. This will allow us to hear directly from the former president and to address questions regarding the issue of extrajudicial killings. We have no guarantee that the former president will attend future hearings or fully participate in this investigation. Since he committed to be being here today, we couldn't let this opportunity to pass.
Oh, pero nag-cancel kayo, nag-press
As
mo
we
hapon.
continue our hearing, I wish to reaffirm the Quad Committee's commitment to a thorough, transparent, and accountable examination of the issues before us. Proceeding with today's hearing underscores our dedication to a fair and open inquiry, one that seeks truth and clarity rather than distraction or delay. Our work here is not a matter of posturing, but of responsibility to the law, to the people, and to those impacted by our actions. If this hearing will be used as a platform to score propaganda points, then we should not waste the public's time. This is not the place for shallow tactics or personal agendas. Our purpose here is serious and clear. We are here to listen, to ask critical questions, and to closely examine the policies and decisions that have
Hindi po
shaped
pwedeng
the
i-fast
nation.
forward live po kasi.
I
Sorry.
hope the former president shared this enthusiasm and the discussions do not devolve into empty rhetoric aimed at evading the truth. With that in mind, let us strive to make this hearing meaningful, productive, and focus on uncovering the truth. Let us honor the public's trust, ensuring that the session is conducted with integrity and purpose. Marami pong salamat, Mr. Chairman.
Thank you, Congressman Paduano. The next to deliver his
Hindi
opening
masyadong
remarks is the Chair
matapang.
of the Committee on Public Order and Safety, Congressman Dan Fernandez. You are recognized.
Maraming salamat po, Mr. Chairman. Inurasan ko po kayo, Mr. Chairman. 10 minutes
Ito na.
po yung opening remarks.
Ito na.
Si Chairman Paduano, 5 minutes.
Ah,
Si Chairman Abante, 30 minutes po ang kanyang inubos.
ah.
At sa totoo lang po, wala na pong tayong oras. At siyempre po, we have to consider also the health of the former president. And I think I will not be delivering any opening remarks. And I will be asking na lang po siguro yung ating pong technician to present a video clip. And that will form part of my opening
Wala talaga sa
remarks,
letter
Mr.
F,
Chair.
no?
And advice lamang po kay sa ating chairman, huwag mo masyadong seryoso yung mga bashers mo. As a matter of fact, madami po talaga mga bashers, pero alam mo mga troll farms yan eh.
Ano?
Hoy,
Tawag na lang po
excuse
natin,
me,
hindi
ha?
Kung ayaw mo masaktan, edi huwag kang magbasa.
Oh.
Ay, magbasa ka dyan. Kailangan mong
we all
magbasa.
know na
Kaya
marami
pala
po
ganyan
talaga
yung grammar mo.
mga troll
Oo.
farms. At
Hindi ka
yan ang po
nagbabasa.
talagang ginagamit na taktika.
Anong troll
against
farm?
us
Putangin na
all.
ka.
But at any rate, Mr. Chairman,
Habang
ito pong
wala ba
video
tayong
ito na
farms?
ginawa po ng ating
Anong
Bakit
farm?
troll?
Ito?
Quad
Troll farm ba
Committee
to?
ay
Oh
will be
my
formed
God.
part
Punta ka
of the
dito, Sibo, putangin na ka.
kaya
Before that, Congressman Fernandez, how many minutes is that video?
siguro mga ano po yan. Kung meron kang 10 minutes, meron siyang 30 minutes, meron siyang 5 minutes, 7 minutes po yan, Mr. Chairman. So,
Just make sure it
allow
is a
us.
short presentation.
It's a short
Your Honor.
presentation, Mr. Chairman.
Okay, salamat po. Sige.
What
Hindi
the
kaya-
fuck?
Okay.